Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making coleslaw with no mayo. These are all the ingredients. You need a cabbage, you need one red apple. You also gonna need one red onion, salt and pepper, lime or lemon, white wine vinegar, and olive oil. So you go ahead and mix all the ingredients together. This recipe is really good because you can just eat it by itself, or you can just add it to any meals that you have and gives more flavor to the food. You add salt to the taste, also pepper to the taste, so I'm gonna be adding 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, and it's also to the taste. And 1/4 of a cup of vinegar. If you don't like white vinegar, you can also use apple cider vinegar, or you can use a little bit of both. I like the white wine vinegar, so that's the one I use. You squeeze the lime. And you go ahead and mix your ingredients a little bit more. After you mix them, you go ahead and try it out, see if it needs a little bit more salt or anything else. I usually add more salt because I like to bring up the flavor. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt. And also I would do a little bit more of vinegar. And a little bit more of olive oil. Like I said, it all depends on you. If you don't like as much vinegar, you don't have to add more vinegar. Depends how you like it. And it is ready. This recipe is delicious. You should try it out. Here you go. Coleslaw with no mayo. Thank you guys for watching.